Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to connect and protect GCP projects using Defender for Cloud. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal. This is my Microsoft Defender for Cloud, and I will also log on to the GCP portal. And I will go to console.cloud.google.com. I'll change my account. If you're logged in with multiple accounts, make sure you are logged in with the correct one. And this is you create a new project. I created my first project, and you can get started for free, or if you have existing projects, you can create a new one. So let's say I create a new project by clicking here. I have not mentioned any organization, so you just create it. It will create a new project, or you can use the existing one. Project created, select project. I am into this new project. I'll click on it. And after this, we will create the GCP connector in Microsoft Defender for Cloud. So I will go back to the Azure portal. And I'm into the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You click on Environment Settings. You are in the security policy. You click on Add Environment. You click on Google Cloud Platform. You add a connector name here. You can name it anything. Onboard, you want to onboard a single project. My subscription is, I will create a new resource group. You can name it anything. I'll name it GCP. Location, you can select the nearest location. I'm going with East US, though East US is not the nearest location to me. Now GCP project number, I'll go back to my project, and this is my project number. I have multiple projects and I'm using this project. So this is it. This is the project number. I will click on it, paste it. I will go here. I will click on project ID. I will go and select plans. Under this, you will see select plans. Ensure the following plans are on. Security posture management, it's on by default. You see the server containers, you can select on here. So if I go, if I'm able to show you, you see my Defender CSPM, all of the plans are on. Servers, databases, everything is on. Right? I will do configure access. You see this script. You have to copy this script. You see the GCP Cloud Shell here. Click on it. It will open up the GCP console with Cloud Shell. So what I'll do is I'm not logged in here, so let me copy it, go to the browser on which it is pasted. I'll enter it. I'm logged in with this ID. Okay, it says I do not have permissions. I don't know why. Or we can do this. I'm here. I'll activate the Cloud Shell. This is the button to open up the Cloud Shell. This is connecting. It will say take some minutes. Okay, now I will go and click on copy. I'll come back here. I'll just paste the script here. If you want to see what does it is enabling an API, etc., etc. Scroll down. Hit enter. I authorize it. Okay, I'm getting an error which says project billing not found. Okay, so they are having issues with my project billing. Let's see what does it do. So make sure that you pay all of your bills on time. I forgot to update my billing details in Google Cloud GCP console. It may or may not complete this operation. Let's see. It is still going on. So you have to let the script run, and when it will finish, I will have to copy the service account unique numeric ID. Okay, this is the service account that came up after the script completed. Let me just copy it. I'll go back to my Azure portal. This is it. I'll go for leave as default. I'll click on create. You will click on review and generate, and then you will, at the last you will create, and this will initiate these processes. There is a problem with authenticating to my GCP project. Please contact details, but it was not successful, but you got the idea how you will connect and protect the GCP environment using Microsoft Defender for Cloud. And after this is done, you will go to the portal, and then you will go to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud. You will go to the recommendations tab here, and you will see all secure score recommendations or all recommendations. And if you would have existing GCP resources, then you will be able to see recommendations associated with them after this thing is completely done. Right, so I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. And if you see, the containers dependency deployment succeeded, but I don't have any containers in my GCP environment. That is why I would not see any recommendations. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video.